Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. In this video, we take you through how to edit your company stamp in your SigniFlow profile. The company stamp feature was brought into the system to allow businesses to place their seal on documents instead of a specific signature. A company stamp is a type of electronic signature for your business or business unit that is applied on a document before you sign to replace the need to physically stamp the document. Once signed, the company stamp is cryptographically secured, making the document and the stamp tamper-evident. This tutorial will show you how to edit your company stamp to suit your needs. Now, let's get started with editing your company stamp in your profile. Navigate to the left side menu bar. Open your profile by clicking on the Profile drop-down tab. Within the drop-down, you will see a Stamp tab. Select this option. You can drag and drop an image or upload an image from your computer by clicking in the Upload square with the arrow icon. Please note, you cannot upload any files larger than 500 kilobytes in size. Now, your company stamp will preview in the square to the right of the upload panel. Below, you can adjust your company stamp settings. You have the option of enabling the transparency function by clicking on the corresponding toggle in the settings panel. The transparency function removes all white from your uploaded image. You can save your uploaded company stamp in settings by clicking on the Save button underneath the settings panel. And that is how you edit your company stamp in your profile. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.